Hello and welcome to the fifth part of the tutorial about LaTeX. Today we'll discuss how to add equation in the LaTeX. What we'll discuss addition of equation, how to label your equation, and how to cite or give reference of your equation in the text. First of all, you need to go for begin equation. So this will actually create the place for the equation. Here you can add equation. Let's say x square plus y square is equal to z square. Okay, so this will be our equation and this will show it in our text. If I want to add the label for the equation, let's say I want to cite it anywhere in the text, I should add label equation 01, let's say, and I want to cite it in the text equation. Here I need to use reference instead of cite. I should use reference and then equation 1. So then I have to repeat the process of LaTeX. And you see this is giving me some that equation 1 is undefined. I need to go for bibtex, then LaTeX, and now it's not giving me any error. I'll just, and then I should go for quick build. In the quick build it will show me the equation, and equation here it has given the reference of the equation. So that's how you cite equations. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.